Hi, welcome to another video. So, I have been seeing a lot of talk about a new AI coder these days on the internet. This one is called Lovable. It seems to be like Bolt or V0 and can apparently create full-stack apps from prompts just like them, and it can also sync to GitHub and stuff as well, which seems to be pretty amazing. Plus, it also seems to have some even better options over them, and it also seems to have a free tier. So, let's test it out and see how well it performs, and if it's any good or just another hype. But before we do that, let me tell you about today's sponsor, NinjaChat. Paying for models from different providers costs a lot of money these days, but you can save a lot of money on your membership costs by using NinjaChat. It gives you access to latest models from Anthropic, OpenAI, Gemini, and even image or video generation models like Flux and Kling, all in one place, for a price that just starts from $11. They have a bunch of tools to use these models in intricate ways, like the AI Playground feature, which allows you to compare multiple models in one place by sending one prompt to multiple models from multiple providers, which is really great. They also have a bunch of other tools as well, like writing tools, a mind map generator, and even a new artifacts feature. So, you can check them out through the link in the description, and make sure to use my coupon code KING25 to get an additional 25% off these already great deals. So, this is the main page of it. It doesn't seem to mention a lot of stuff. So, I just got registered here. Now, from what I see, it only allows you to give it 5 prompts per day on the free tier. Now, I don't know if this counts the follow-up prompts or not. So, let's test it out, and then we'll see if it counts the follow-up prompts as well. Anyway, so, this is where you'll send your prompt. It looks good, and you can also attach an image here as well if you want, which is great if you want to give it a mock-up, wireframe, or even a similar-looking site. So, that's good. Let's start with something simple to test. When you start typing in something, you can also see some other stuff here as well, like this stack option, which doesn't do anything. So, I don't know why it's here. But apart from that, you have the public option here. It seems that everything you make here will be public in the free tier. So, that's a bummer for sure. Anyway, let's ask it to make me a simple water tracker app that looks sleek and modern. Okay, it's now doing that, it seems. So, you can see the code being streamed here. This looks fine. The UI also seems good. It's more like the exponent-like interface, which is great to see because I really like clean UIs rather than cluttered ones. I can't use Bolt as much just because the UI is too pale. So, this is good. Let's wait a bit for it to finish. And it's now done. So, this is the preview. This looks pretty good. The UI is great, although the progress bar seems to be broken. So, that needs to be fixed. So, there's that. Apart from that, it seems that you can open it in a new tab, view it in responsive mode, refresh the page, or you can also apparently select a block from the page and ask it to edit, which seems pretty good. You also have the option here to connect Supabase. It seems that this basically allows you to log in, and it just adds the tokens of your database as an environment variable. So, you can ask it to integrate Supabase, and it can do that. This is great for sure, as it allows you to generate a whole full-stack app with it, which is great for sure. You also have the GitHub option, which will sync the stuff to GitHub, which seems to be good as well. And you also have the publish option, where you can publish it to a domain or a temporary domain from then, if you want, which is also good. But let's try to edit some stuff as well. let's select the progress bar here. Now, let's ask it to edit this and make it correct. Okay, it's doing that now. You can again see the code being streamed here. Let's wait a bit. And it's now done. So, it fixed it, which is great. So, this works well to create apps for sure. You can also see the diff of changes here as well, which is also good to see. Let's see how many prompts we consumed. Okay, it seems we consumed 3 prompts. I don't know how because I only sent 2. So, this is a really restrictive tier for sure. So, that's a bummer. But let's try to build something else as well. So, I have this Netflix screenshot here. I am going to give it this, and let's see if it can replicate this correctly or not. Okay, it's doing that now. You can see the code being streamed here. Let's wait a bit. And it's now done. So, this is what it looks like. It has some artifacts, but it looks pretty good. I mean, it's very similar. So, it's great at visual understanding as well, which makes it quite cool. I do think that the 5 requests free thing is too low, but I mean, it makes sense because not every company has VC money to splurge through. But I would have liked it if we had the option to bring our own API keys and OpenAI base URL, as that would have been a godsend. But it's unfortunately not possible yet. I also tried to generate the same thing with V0 and Bolt. So, V0 created it, but it looked very bad. I mean, it's not even close. Then I tried Bolt, and Bolt just nailed it. Bolt created it so well, and even better than Lovable. I think that nothing beats Bolt yet, because it can install packages and everything, which makes it a lot better. I don't get the pitch of Lovable as much, because the free tier is not as good as Bolt, and the pro tier is also not as good as Bolt. So, I don't know where it lies as of now. If I had to pay, I'd rather pay for Bolt, or maybe just use the Bolt fork that allows for local and other LLMs, which is great to use. So, I don't think that it is good as of now. I saw a lot of hype about it on Twitter and stuff. So, I thought to give it a try. But it's not as good as of now. But still, it holds some potential. And if it goes in the right direction, then it may become something good. It's better to have these tools in your arsenal to use sometimes rather than not have them. Overall, it's pretty cool. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you liked this video, consider donating to my channel through the Super Thanks option below. Or you can also consider becoming a member by clicking the Join button. Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.